The size modifier is used to modify the size of the terrain height map by padding the area around the current height map with extra space if the new size is larger, or by cropping the height map if the new size is smaller. The original height map is not changed in size like the resample modifier. The height map remains the same size and is simply padded with new space or cropped smaller. The width and length controls specify the new size of the terrain height map. The lock width and length controls lock the length value to the width value. The placement control determines where the original height map is located in the new overall size. The custom left and top offset controls allow you to specify a custom offset location for the original height map in the new size dimensions. The edge fill contains a wide range of fill types for the new edges in the sized height map if the new size is larger. The duplicate, fold, mirror, and wrap fill types use the current height map elevation data to fill the new area. The custom fill control allows you to specify a custom altitude for the padding around the original height map if the new size is larger. The OK button applies the modifier to the main terrain height map. The Cancel button cancels the dialog. The Copy button copies the current dialog values to the clipboard. The Paste button pastes the current dialog values from the clipboard. If the clipboard does not contain valid values, clicking this does nothing. The Reset button resets the dialog values to the values from the last time that it was opened in the current session. The Default button resets the dialog values to the application defaults.